Welcome back to CentLinux. In my last video, I showed you how to create an AWS rule group from scratch. But creating a rule group alone won't protect your network. You have to attach it to an AWS Network Firewall policy. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to attach both managed and custom rule groups to your firewall using the AWS Management Console. By the end, you'll have a fully enforced rule set blocking or allowing traffic as intended. Let's get started.